140 feet container was shipped to America. You can see there are 20 wooden cases will be in this container and will be shipped to America. This filling line including unscrambler, counting machine, filling machine, capping machine, liquid machine, and shrimp packaging machine, and also including 2 capsule machines. Okay. Hello, Jocelyn from Shanghai Chengxiang Machinery, CXM. Today, I would like to introduce the shipment for capsule filling line. You can see. Okay, let's go. The filling line, capsule filling line, including unscrambler, filling, capping, induction sealing, and the capsule machines. Then shrimp, and the speed about 40 bottles per minute. You can adjustable how many capsules in one bottle, and this filling line can suitable for 5 kind of bottles. So smaller and the biggest, it can be adjustable for different bottle size and caps. And the counting machine can count different quantity pieces capsule in one bottle. Let's go. This packaging filling line will be shipped to America.